That's what you learned for 8.3. That's what the quiz was on. Of course, we had a whole lot harder problems, right? Sergio, put the phone away. Now, multiplying a binomial times a binomial. It's the same idea here. Now, some of you teachers in the past may have used FOIL. If you know how to do FOIL, it's the same thing. But I'm just going to do it as a distribution. Okay? Instead of one number being multiplied, we're just going to multiply two numbers. Okay? So I'm going to take x times 5x squared. I might even use different colors. See, x times minus 6 minus 6x. See, 8 times 5x, a positive 40x. And then, the last one, I have 8 times minus 6 gives me a minus 48. And then, are there any, look to see if there's any like terms, and there are. We have the minus 6x and plus 40x. Plus 34x minus 48. That's my answer. Of course, they're going to have you do like 2,000 or 3,000 of these problems because this is what algebra is all about, and going the other way, factoring too. Okay. It's one of the major concepts you guys have to learn. All right, number 10. Or better yet, let's do 11. 5x times 2x. 5x times 8 plus 40x. Negative 3 times 2x. And negative 3 times 8 minus 24. Have two terms to combine. 40x minus 6x gives me 10x squared plus 34x again minus 24. About 13. They're almost the same, aren't they? Almost. Each binomial. Except one's plus and one's minus. Let's see what happens. W times W. W times positive 6. Negative 6 times W. See what's going to happen yet? Minus 6 times positive 6. Combine your like terms. What happens? They cancel out. Yeah. Believe it or not, this is a special formula when we work the other way, when we start doing factoring. It's what's called the difference of squares. Okay? W is being squared and 6 is being squared. But we'll get to that later. How about number 15? What does the quantity x plus 3 squared mean? Anybody? Anybody? Anyone? 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 What is it, Esco? I'm not sure what that means, but... Well, let me think about that. What's 2 squared? 2 squared. What does 2 squared equal? What's 1 squared equal? Yeah, okay, so 2 squared is 4. How did you get that? Two times 2, right? 2 squared. It's the base being multiplied twice. 2 times 2. How about 2 cubed? So instead of 2 times being multiplied, you're multiplying it 3 times. Yep. Okay. So what do you think the quantity x plus 3 squared means? Okay. Remember what you were doing. 2 times 2 times 2. So what would this be multiplied twice? What? Yeah. X plus 3 times x plus 3. Okay? You're just multiplying the base twice. Just like you would with simple old 2 squared. Now we go ahead and distribute. X times x is x squared. X times 3 plus 3x. 3 times x. Another positive 3x. And 3 times 3 is 9. Combine your like terms. This whole worksheet is nothing but multiplying a binomial times a binomial. Okay? When you get into problems like number 20, number 21, don't do those because you're multiplying a binomial times a trinomial. 18 you can cross out. You just want to multiply a binomial times a binomial. 25 you can cross out. 26. Because you're going to do that in Algebra 2 and they just briefly hit it. And I don't think it's worth taking up our time. 28 you can cross out. 31 through 34, it's not 8.3 or 8.4, it's 8.2, right? You're just adding and subtracting polynomials. So you're combining like terms. 4x, there's a plus sign, so it's plus 6x, gives you 10x. Positive 3 minus 2 but plus 1. You're just adding and subtracting. What about 32? What do you have to do first? I just quizzed it yesterday. You have to distribute that minus sign, right? So I get 6x plus 1 minus 8x minus 7. Then combine your like terms. 6x minus 8x minus 2x, good. Plus 1 minus 7. Let's do one of these ones with the variable attached. Okay, the quantity 3x minus 4 squared means 3x minus 4 times the quantity 3x minus 4. Distribute 3x times 3x, 9x squared, minus, 3x times minus 4, minus 12x. Minus 4 times 3x, minus 12x. Minus 4 times minus 4, plus 16. Combine your two like terms. 9x squared minus 24x plus 16. You don't have to do 39, you don't have to do 40. Then I think there's some kind of puzzle or something. Oh, no, not yet. Um, 44 you don't have to worry about. Again, 47 through 50, 8.2, you're just adding and subtracting. Don't multiply. Okay? Let's do a perimeter problem. Should I do the triangle or the rectangle? Triangle? Okay, how do I find the perimeter of any polygon, Sergio? Yeah, add up all the sides. Good. Huh? Okay, so I'm going to add up all the sides. So might as well just add up all the sides. 2x minus 7 plus the quantity 3x plus 3 plus the side 6x minus 12. Now, why didn't I put those in parentheses? Because I'm adding them, so I don't need to put parentheses. Okay, that equals my perimeter. They actually give us a value for our perimeter. What is it? 72, right? Perimeter equals 72. So all I have to do is solve for x. Well, I have a 2x, a 3x, 6x, see 5x, 11x, a minus 7, a plus 3, and a minus 12 gives me a minus 16. And that equals 72. Get your x's on one side, numbers on the other. So I'm going to add 16 to both sides. I get 11x equals 88. Divide by the coefficient, 11. So x equals 8. Then they want us to find the sides. So side from point M, side MN, point M to point N, is 2x minus 7. I know x is 8, so 2 times 8 is 16, minus 7, 9. And j, see, and the j is 6x minus 12. I know x is 8. Yes. Yes, he is. Sure can. Is that what you were texting to get out of here? Okay. I'm just going to assign this for the homework, for practice work in class. Don't forget, did you finish A2 and A3, or yeah, A2 and A3 quiz? You can do that at any time too. Huh? Did he do them? Okay. Don't forget tomorrow or Thursday. It's the end of the third quarter.
Don't forget we don't have school Friday.
I won't forget because I got to be here. 48 minus 12. 36. And the last one, MJ. 3x plus 3. X is 8. 24 plus 3. 27.
Sergio, they didn't take quizzes.
Did you turn them in? Do we have a grade for it? You might have to redo them. Make sure that you turn them in. If it's in the not done, it didn't take. All right. Have a nice day, Sergio. Perimeter of a rectangle. What's the measurement of this side? It's the same as this, right? 2x. And this side's measurement? X plus 9. So just do exactly what I did here, but with 4 sides. Any other questions before I give you the whole packet to do? You know what to do now? Everybody know what to do? Anybody have any questions? Anyone? 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 Everybody's either going to take the quizzes or work on this worksheet for the next couple days? Anyone? Anyone? Anyone?